covered shed.
Hey, look! There's a picnic in the park. Let's have a picnic too. Let's have the picnic in my garden. Good idea. There's some cheese. I can make some sandwiches. No, you can't. There isn't any bread. It's okay. There's some bread at my house. Let's get it. Look, Bo. Those are noodles, and that is lemonade.
Noodles and lemonade. Yum!
Yuck! You drink lemonade. You don't put it on noodles.
Does lemonade come from the lemonade lake?
No, it doesn't. Lemonade comes from lemons. Lemons grow on lemon trees.
Are there any lemon trees here?
Whoa! Bo learns a lot of new things every day. I love learning new things too. And me. I know. Let's form a team. The Discovery Team. We can learn a lot of new things. Great idea. Bo, you can be part of our team. Bo?
Look what's under here.
Wow! It's an old shed. I know. We can have our Discovery Team meetings here. Great idea. We can decorate it too. And look what's on the table. That can be our club symbol.